My name is Kirsten Tibballs and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious vegan dessert. It's a chocolate mousse with a cinnamon crumble. You're going to love it. When I'm making products, any sort of recipe, I like to know where my ingredients come from. The chocolate I use is made from 100% sustainable cocoa beans. To start, we're going to create the crumble. So it's brown sugar, a plant-based butter. Combine those two together. Once that's combined, add all the other ingredients. We have some plain flour, the cinnamon, which is the hero of this crumble, ground almonds, or it can also be referred to as almond meal, and some ground hazelnuts, some sea salt, and we combine that together. With crumble, just always bring it together just until it has a crumb consistency. If you happen to overmix it and it comes together as a dough, that's fine, just freeze it and then grate it once it's frozen to create your crumble. Spread it out onto the baking tray. Select the Fan Plus function on your oven and preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Place the tray on shelf position 2. When we're making a chocolate mousse and we're not adding dairy to it, we need something to lighten the mousse, so I'm going to make an aquafaba meringue. We do that by using chickpeas. We drain the chickpeas off and we're left with the brine. Combine it with sugar. I've placed that on induction setting 5 for 10 to 12 minutes until it's reduced. Crumble is baked. We now set it aside to cool down completely. Once the crumble has cooled, simply pick it up, place it into a bowl and keep it airtight. I have cream of tartar here. Add a little bit of our aquafaba in with the cream of tartar and give that a stir first. Now, whisking the aquafaba is very similar to whisking an egg white, but it does take a little bit longer. We now have meringue. This is fantastic for so many different applications once you master it, and it's so easy to create. For the base of the chocolate mousse, of course we need chocolate, and I'm using a dark chocolate. I'm adding in some plant-based butter. Place them in the microwave for approximately 45 seconds. In a saucepan, place the water, sugar, and liquid glucose. I've warmed up the glucose in the microwave. Place the water, sugar, and glucose on the stove and heat it just until all the sugar has dissolved. We're then going to immediately pour it over the chocolate. Give it a whisk until all the chocolate is completely melted and combined. Now to combine the two elements to make our delicious and creamy chocolate mousse. Grate the aquafaba in, fold it through. We try to maintain as much air as possible in the aquafaba so it stays nice and light. We top it with some of our delicious cinnamon crumble. More mousse on top because this is so good, you're never going to have enough. These little beauties now go in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until they're set. These mousses are set to serve. We're going to top them with some additional crumble. This is such a beautiful recipe, and once you create it, you'll see how easy it is to make beautiful and decadent vegan desserts.